Hello everyone, it's Charlion Patrice, and if you are new here, welcome. Today I'll be showing you a quick and easy wig install. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, then just keep on watching. This wig is from Reshine Hair. I received a 30-inch 250 density 4x4 HD water wave wig. So here I'm showing you how everything looked when I first received it. I did bleach the knots a little to my liking, and this is how the wig looked once I finished washing it and letting it air dry. And as you can see, the curls are so pretty and the hair is very soft and full. So since this is a lace closure wig, the install is going to be very quick and easy. So all I'm doing is applying the wig to my liking, and then I'm going to cut off the extra lace in the front. So here I'm showing you like how good the lace is. As you can see, as soon as I cut it, it just blends into my skin. Next, I'm taking my hairspray and I'm going to lay my lace with that. I'm just spraying a little across, and then I'm going to press the lace in. And I took out some baby hair also. So I'm applying my melting band for about 10 minutes, and while I'm waiting for that, I'm taking my hot comb and I'm flattening out the top of my hair, and then I'm taking some water and I'm going to refresh my curls. So after I remove my band, I'm going to finish up my baby hair. And after that, that's basically it. That's all I had to do. As you can see, it was so easy because it's a lace closure unit. You don't have to do much to it. So yeah, so now I'm just playing in the hair because it is so pretty and so long. I never had 30-inch hair before, and I am loving it, okay? As you guys can see, like, this lace blends in so good. So I really love the HD lace that's on this unit. The curls are very pretty, perfect for the summertime, and this hair is very, very soft. I will have a link down below in the description bar, so don't forget to check Reshine Hair out. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you those in the next video. Bye bye.